Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel Just One More Cuppa, and I'm Deepa. Today I've come with another exciting product called Market Presso. What is Market Presso? It is the world's first freelance and marketplace builder. So when I say that, what do I mean here is, let me give you an example. If you have a skill that you want to offer it out as a service and earn money, what do you normally do? So you would put up your details on any freelancing site like Fiverr, etc. Yes, won't you? So what happens when you use such platform to offer your service? Number one, disadvantages. Though you will be driving all the traffic to your service in say Fiverr, people might not go with you as there's already a lot of people like you out there. So huge competition, number one. The second disadvantage is suppose you are the lucky one and they buy the service from you. You don't still get to keep their email list, and we know that's where the money is, isn't it? So we are not building our business. And the third disadvantage is you're doing all the work here, like getting traffic, doing the work, which I mean is by offering your service. But such freelancing sites get to keep 20% of their, sale fees. So what happens is to cover up these disadvantages, we have Market Presso. So using Market Presso, I mean, it is a platform or a marketplace which can be personalized, customized as per your needs, as you own it, and you can have your email list, you can control the business, and also have the 100% profit. So that is Market Presso in a nutshell. So as part of the review, I will be taking you through my bonus page where I'll be giving you a few details about what Market Presso is all about, along with its price and upsells. Also, Market Presso members area and sales page as well. So even before getting into the further details, if this is something that guys that you're interested in, please stick with me till the end, as I have also put together some amazing custom bonuses that I'll be taking you through as part of my review. And also guys, it's completely free of charge if you pick Market Presso from the link given below in the description of this YouTube video. Also, if you like this YouTube video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. So without any further delay, let's get into the review. So when you click on the link below in the description of this YouTube video, it's going to take you to my bonus page, which looks like this. This is the bonus page, guys. So as you see, Market Presso, it will launch on the 30th of June at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, which is on a Wednesday. Eastern Standard Time is the New York time. And the launch is till 4th of July, 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, which is till Sunday. So it is almost a 4-day launch, guys. So we have ample time to pick this product up because there are certain custom bonuses associated within this 4 days of timeline. As you also can see, there is a timer that is ticking, which means the custom bonuses that I'm going to be taking you through shortly, you need to pick, to avail those custom bonuses, you need to pick Market Presso before the timer hits 0. So yeah, I will also be taking you through the members area, which is this, and also the sales page over here. So before getting into further details, if you want to pick this product up, guys, you need to click on any of these red buttons here on the bonus page, and it will take you to the sales page. On the sales page, you need to click on this Get Instant Access to Market Presso Now button, and you will instantly get access, or you will be able to get access to Market Presso. So that was about how to pick up the product. So moving on to my custom bonuses. So bonus number 1 is boost your SEO. So this is an info pack, guys, where you will learn how to master SEO, which is search engine optimization, within a month's time using the steps mentioned within. It's pretty detailed and very good, and it will definitely boost your SEO. Bonus number 2 is Ultimate Traffic Mantra. Here you learn how to source traffic from Reddit, LinkedIn, Kindle, and also strategies to list building. So that is bonus number 2, guys. And bonus number 3 is Boomerang Buddy Pro. So this is a software and training product to get traffic and sales and also subscribers via Instagram. So that was bonus number 3. Bonus number 4 is Master Email Marketing. So here you have you get to know how to have that good engagement with your subscribers and stay connected to them using email, and how to get good open rates. So that was master email marketing bonus, guys. And bonus number 5 are the vendor bonuses, which I'll be taking you through in the sales page. So as you see, again, please, these custom bonuses are amazing custom bonuses. You can use it with MarketPresso software as well. So the way it has been designed is, it is all these bonuses are compatible with the actual product. So if you want to pick this product up, so please click on this red button. It'll take you through to the sales page, and you need to purchase this product. And to access these custom bonuses, what I've done is I've already loaded these bonuses into Warrior Plus. And when you pick this product up, you need to log in into Warrior Plus, and inside the Warrior Plus, you'll have a receipt like this. You need to click on the blue button here, and the moment you do that, you will get instant access to all these custom bonuses as well. So that was a bonus, custom bonus part, guys. So just moving on to the sales page. So as you see, this is the sales page. Very, very interesting sales page. What does it say? Introducing MarketPresso, rapidly scales revenue by getting more clients. World's first and only marketplace builder that gets you more client, higher amount projects, builds your authority, and kills the competition. Simple, effortless setup. So who all can use it? If you're a freelancer or any service provider, digital marketing agency owner, anybody you will be benefited using MarketPresso. So yeah, see, this is pretty detailed sales page, guys. So yeah, see, you can even see there is a small comparison given over here between Fiverr, Upwork versus your own marketplace, which is MarketPresso. Just to read few, it says zero competition. You keep up the list, you build your business, you get started at 0% fees with respect to profit sharing. They will buy from you. It's your private marketplace because there is less competition here. You can personalize customization to the marketplace. You can do it in MarketPresso. You can have your own profile page. You can have a market authority, which is 100% yes. Your marketplace with your logo and branding. Charge heavy price, yes, whatever you do to your service. If there is any limitation, no limitation, you can sell any service. And with respect to reviews, 100% in your control. You can choose what to publish and what not in marketplace. So these all were the advantages when compared to Fiverr or Upwork. So there are a lot of details. Your marketplace will run on your own domain with your custom branding and will create your authority instantly whenever you share sorry guys, the link with anyone. This will help develop immediate trust amongst your clients and build status and authority as business owner, rather than being a simple freelancer selling on Fiverr or Upwork, etc. Customers will feel supremely confident in buying from you rather than any normal freelancer, allowing you to charge more, keep more, and generate maximum amount of profits as well as possible. And clearly, MarketPresso will make you more money than anything else on the planet by letting you sell all the services that you have to offer. So easily create marketplace. So the steps mentioned here, the software is very, very easy, guys. I'll be taking you through in the members area how easy it is to create that marketplace here. So for any service you can offer, you can create a landing page, funnel building, graphic designing, video marketing, video creation, content writing, online marketing, voiceover, copywriting, literally everything. You can create your own personalized branded marketplace. So yeah, so you can see there's also a small demo, which this particular demo I also will be sharing the link in the comment section of this YouTube channel, guys. So yeah, this is an amazing product. They say create a marketplace in just 4 easy steps. Simple customizable design to personalize your marketplace. The step number 2 is add your product or service details. Step number 3 is assign a price to your services. Step number 4 is connect to payment gateway to collect payments. Amazing, isn't it? See, there are so many much more details, guys, in here. I would request you to just take your time and just go through the details in the sales page. It is very, very nice to read, and it has all the features that MarketPresso has to offer you. So you can see smart pricing, real-time order and message information, add to cart. It's just lot many features, guys. It's just not ending here. The list is it's a huge list here. Okay, so I would, yeah, as I mentioned to you, it's a big sales page. I will not take a lot of your time to take you through each and everything. Please, I leave it up to you. Please, you can do it at your own spare time. So as I was taking you through the bonuses, my custom bonuses, I also told that I'll take you through the vendor bonuses on the sales page. So bonus number 1 vendor bonus is MarketPresso Client Finder app. You will be getting that as bonus number 1. Free advertising credits as bonus number 2. Bonus number 3 is AI logo creator software use for your business or sell as service. Bonus number 4 is AI brand domain software used for your business or sell as service. Again here, bonus number 5 is hands-on workshop to help you build your first marketplace. So these all are the 5 bonuses, the vendor bonuses that you'll be getting, in addition to the custom bonuses that I took you through just some time back. So that was the sales page, guys. I will just take you through the members area now. So guys, this is the members area. The moment you log in, you will land on this dashboard. Here you can see the total markets. It's a consolidated view of total markets, service markets, product markets, and how many total customers are there, total revenue, today's revenue and total revenue, and what are the top selling items, recent reviews, all those details you can see here. As I was saying, this is a marketplace, so you can add your services here. So it's not only services, it can be services, products, or service and products. So that's what you can add over here. So let me just take with service at this point of time. So in this section, you will be able to add your service name over here, and also guys, you can the name of the service, and you can also add the URL and description over here. As there is a CNAME mapping, you can host the marketplace either in your own domain or even within that. You don't need to have a separate hosting or domain. So just maybe say test marketplace. Just give an example. Just remove the space here. And let me say save. Oh, this already exists. So let me say test marketplace 1. So it also gives you the information whether it's available or not. So let's save. Save successfully. Then to that marketplace, you can add your logo. As I told you in my initial introduction, that you can customize and personalize it. So this is where you can upload your logo, your favicon. And now for that particular marketplace, you can add services using this tab. So the services, you can just select what the service name is from here, or you can create a new service. So there's already few which has been created. You can assign either of them, or you can create a new one. So maybe just go with, assign a service. So I'm just taking video editing over here. So yes, I got video editing. Now there are a few things that you can just edit and do. You can add variations, media, FAQs, requirements, and create it. Guys, I'm not going into too many details here as it's too technical, but there is a separate demo which is completely in depth, which I will be adding up or linking it to the comment section. You can use that, or you can view that demo to understand how this exactly MarketPresso works. So you can add, so you've added your services over here, say video editing, add variations, media, FAQs, requirements, and create it. And you can, moving on to next, you can do some page settings here. And within page settings, you have categories, tags, bump up, template club, customize the page, CNAME, currency, and other settings. And then you also have offers where you can add in some offers or coupons, cashback, loyalty points, bundle deals, pop-up banners. And moving on to next is review. To capture the customer review, You can have all the settings to be done over here: approved, pending, spam, all, etc. And similarly, you have notifications where you need to sign up a message, approve seller, rejected seller, approve services, and rejected services. So you have all these details, and you also have language settings. Isn't it amazing? So you go on the homepage, you can change the language in whatever language you want to display your services in there. So that was Marketplace. Let me show you how will it look like the end product. You have a tab called All Marketplace. So probably visit. Pardon me, guys, I'm still sick. So somewhat similar to this, you will be able to prepare, but there are the banners and the logos and some images missing. But yeah, that gives you an idea at least, like, how will the site look like. Let me just check another one. Let me have a look over here. I think it's all the same. So yeah, you will be able to build an amazing marketplace, guys, with all the features that I just took you through. Apart from that, you have all the marketplace, the services. So you can add the services that I showed you inside marketplace. You can add it separately over here, those services. Along with that, you can add all the products. You can also create blogs if you want to. And then, you have other settings with respect to integrations. And so that's the payment integration, autoresponder integration, webinar integration, and other integration. You will be able to integrate with respect to payment gateway via PayPal or Stripe, manual payment, Razorpay, Flutterwave. Amazing, guys. So this was about all the integration settings here. Then moving on to next is the orders. So all orders, live orders, delivered orders, and canceled orders. So you will be able to view all those details here. And the bonuses, which I already took you in as part of the sales page. These all are the vendor bonuses. Manage customer is so this is the email list, guys, that you had captured. That was the major highlight, which I was saying, that this is impossible if you are going to offer your services through Fiverr or Upwork. You won't be able to do that because they don't let you keep any of their customers' details. But with marketplace like MarketPresso, you can have your own email list. You can capture those services and the customers who've come in. You can capture their details, and you can make your own online business. And other subscribers. So it's so the subscriber details over here. So yeah, this is a very, very nice product, guys. Amazing software, guys. You can create, or you don't need Upwork or you don't need Fiverr at all if you have MarketPresso. So that was the members area. So let me take you back to my bonus page to check on the price and the upsells. So price and upsells, MarketPresso, the front end is for $47, and one-time offer MarketPresso Pro license is for $97. MarketPresso Template Club is for $77, and MarketPresso Premium is for $297. Sorry, guys. So that was the price and the upsells, and some key benefits over here is your own professional branded marketplace, list down and offer all your services, 100% cloud-based platform, super easy setup, no previous technical knowledge required, become a go-to service provider in your space, works on any niche, charge higher price. And you also have a demo here, guys. Also, that's I have attached in my bonus page. The same I'll give you separately in the comment section as well. Highly, highly recommended for you to just go through the demo. And yeah, that's it, guys. Amazing product, isn't it? And I forgot to mention this MarketPresso. It's product is created by Karthik Ramani, and he has been creating some amazing products. So this is one of his latest product, guys. So yes, that brings me to the end of this MarketPresso review. That's all I have for you with MarketPresso. So I hope you like the review, and also the features and MarketPresso software as well. Also, guys, if you have any questions, please pop them onto the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. So, see you soon in my next review. Until then, take care. Bye bye.